Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device and medication so therapy starts correctly. Unpack only what you need and place it on a clean surface. Wash your hands first. Once done, insert charged batteries or plug in the charger and confirm the power indicator lights. Next, detach and visually inspect the mesh cap, medication cup, and mouthpiece for debris or damage. Make sure filters are seated and dry. Finally, measure the prescribed dose and pour it into the medication cup, avoiding spills as you close the cup securely. Now assemble and begin treatment with careful alignment so aerosol delivery is effective. Attach the medication cup to the mesh module, aligning the locking tabs until it clicks. This ensures a sealed path. Then secure the mouthpiece or mask to the outlet, making sure the fit is snug against the face to prevent leaks. If your model has selectable flow or duration settings, set them to the prescribed values. Finally, press the power button. You should see a steady, fine mist and hear a soft vibration. That confirms proper operation. Complete the session by running the device until the medication cup is empty, then turn it off and disassemble promptly to avoid residue buildup. Rinse the medication cup, mouthpiece, and mask under warm running water and let them air dry on a clean towel. Do not soak the mesh cap or electronic base. Once dry, reassemble for next use and store in a dust-free case. If you see little or no mist, stop. Check batteries or power, inspect the mesh for clogging, and ensure the cup is correctly seated before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.